Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I want to be quickly giving you guys a quick update here on the Bitcoin price section, because right now we're forming a new continuation pattern of a symmetrical triangle, and on today's video I will be revealing all my price targets of this very significant continuation pattern. So if this sounds interesting, don't forget to smash the like button as well. Make sure to smash the like button if you think this content is very valuable, and of course it only will be taking you a few seconds of your time and you will be helping the world out for me. So with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing this this critical symmetrical triangle that we're right now creating on the one and only candle. So like you can see over here, Bitcoin is forming a very significant downward sloping resistance line. This resistance line already got a few touch points, more than 4 touch points already here on the top side, so we can definitely call this a valid resistance line towards the downside. As well, the lower side, we got several touch points on the lower side, and this support line and resistance line is going to be meeting each other anytime soon here. Of course, if we're going to extend these lines here, you can see that we have approximately another few let me see how much days or exactly how much hours left in this pattern. Exactly 1 day and approximately 20 hours left in this pattern, because yeah, usually we tend to see a direction in such a symmetrical triangle getting generated before reaching its apex. So let's see how this is going to be reacting. Are we going to see another touch on the top side and see a move towards the downside, or are we first going to see a move towards the downside and then maybe a touch to the upside and a breakdown? We will be keeping you guys of course up to date here on our Twitter page. So if you want to be finding out on a breakout of this pattern, make sure to follow us on Twitter, because I will be tweeting about it as soon as we're going to be breaking out of this pattern. Because yes guys, I do think this is going to be a very strong long trade opportunity here on BYBIT. And the reason why I do think it is going to be a strong long trade opportunity is because usually once the market is forming a leg up and then starts to create a continuation pattern, it tends to more frequently break out towards the upside, because the trend is basing towards the upside. And if you're going in and if you're forming a symmetrical triangle after a push towards the upside, it's more likely to expect as well a rally towards the upside afterwards. So one reason why I do expect the chances are higher that we're going to see a breakout towards the upside. I'm going to right away say it. I will be not trading it if it's going to be breaking out on the Sunday, on the weekend. I want to be seeing, it will be of course way better if we are going to see the breakout here on the Monday, tomorrow. So that's of course a thing that I will be keeping my eyes on. If we're going to look at a price target, of course we could be breaking out towards the upside, of course depending on where we're going to break out. So once again, if we're going to break out, I will be keeping you guys up to date here on my Twitter page. And I will be giving you guys then the exact price target, but you could be for sure take a very significant trade of an approximately 3% here. And of course I'm currently already in a swing trade position, but as soon as we're breaking out here, I will be going with my different account here on BYBIT as well, and I will be opening another trade as well to take this extra and maximize my gains in the market, to maximize my opportunities. Because yes, I do think that we should be definitely embrace these opportunities if we're going to get, let's say, a breakout of this, because if you're using a 10 to 20x leverage, you could already make 30 to 60% profit out of this breakout. If we're going to fail to hold on towards this line here, and if we're, let's say, going to be moving down from here on, if we're not going to be able to break up, but we're going to break down, I will be not trading it short, because I think that is still risky. But for sure, it will be, of course, fade away our long opportunity. So I will be only look for a breakout towards the upside to open a trade. If we're breaking down, I'm not going to trade it, because I think trading short right now in the market is too high for risk. But once again, depending on where we're going to break out, this is going to be giving us as well a 3% price target towards the downside. So make sure to keep your eyes on it, and especially if we're going to break out or break down on the weekend, I will be for sure stay away from this trading pattern. I would love to see this day closing within this pattern and tomorrow see a breakout, so we could be opening a very strong position out there. So these are the things that you should be really looking at right now here, and this is going to be a very significant leg towards the upside that we could be getting generated. This will be bringing us towards the 49.5k here, so it's going to be another significant rise here in the cryptocurrency space here, and it's going to be very lovely because we're as well going to be taking out these previous highs over here in the market. So yeah, it is looking quite solid right now here, and I definitely can't wait to see for this breakout. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this very quick update video about this symmetrical triangle that we're currently creating on the market. If you think this content is very valuable and straight to the point, let me know in the comment section as well. Make sure to reward me if you think the content is good by smashing up that like button, and of course subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of this kind of content. Of course guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.